Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. So, welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer, and in today's video, I would like to continue the same chapter that we had started in our previous video. So students, firstly take out your computer book and open chapter 4. Okay, take out your computer book and open chapter 4, page number 26. Okay, open page number 26. Now students, tell me what's the name of chapter 4. So our chapter name is the computer mouse. Okay, the computer mouse. Okay, so students, as you all know, in this chapter we are learning about the computer mouse that help us to operate a computer. Okay, this is not, we are not talking here about the real mouse, we are talking here about the computer mouse. Okay, which is a device. Okay, so a computer mouse is a input device. Okay, we give input to a computer with the help of this computer mouse. Is that clear? So in our previous video we had learned that what is a computer mouse and how it looks like. Okay, and then we had learned about the buttons of computer mouse and the scroll wheel. Okay, and we had also learned about the mouse pad, the computer mouse kept on the mouse pad. Okay, when we use it. And in today's video we are going to, so in our previous video we had read up to here. Okay, in our previous video we had read this chapter up to here, up to the mouse pad, and in today's video we will start from the holding a mouse. Okay, from this heading we will start this chapter reading. Okay, now students, in this chapter we will learn in this video lesson we will learn about that how should we hold a mouse. Okay, what is the proper way to hold a mouse. Is that clear? Now students, look at this picture. This is how we should hold a mouse, a computer mouse. Okay, we are not talking about the real mouse, this is a computer mouse. Okay, so students, put finger on the first line, okay, of this heading, and let's start reading with me. Okay, and firstly listen to me carefully. Okay, because it will help you to understand that how you have to pronounce every single word of this chapter, how should you pronounce every single word of this chapter. Okay, now students, let's start reading. Okay, firstly we will read this chapter and then I'll explain you this chapter. Okay, in the picture you can see that. Okay, in the picture you can see that. Okay, so see means look. Okay, to look over anything, see means to look over anything, and this is the picture. This is the picture of using a mouse with right hand. Okay, so you should always use a mouse with the help of right hand. Okay, you should always use your right hand whenever you are using a mouse. Is that clear? So you should hold a mouse with the right hand. Okay, now students, this is your middle finger. Okay, this is the position of your middle finger. Okay, this is how your middle finger should be placed, and this is how your index finger should be placed, and your thumb should be in the side of the mouse. Okay, and your middle finger should be little upward. Okay, it should not be placed over the mouse. Okay, now students, so look at this picture. So first tip to use a mouse, to hold a mouse, is the index finger is placed on the left button. Okay, so your index finger should be placed on the left button. Okay, the left button of the mouse. Okay, and you should always hold a mouse with your right hand. Okay, you should always hold a mouse with your right hand. The middle finger is placed on the right button, okay, and your middle finger should be placed on the right button, okay. This is the right button of the mouse and this is the left button of the mouse, okay. So your index finger should be placed on the left button and your middle finger should be placed on the right button of the mouse. The rest of the fingers and the palm hold the mouse, okay, and rest of the fingers should and your palm should be hold the mouse. Is that clear? Like you can see in this picture, this way you have to put a mouse, you have to keep a mouse, you have to hold a mouse. Is that clear? The above picture shows how a right-handed person holds a mouse. Let us now learn how to hold a mouse with the left hand, okay. So students, in this picture you had learned that a right-handed person, how a right-handed person will hold a mouse, okay, how a right-handed person should hold a mouse. And now you will learn that how a left-handed person should be hold a mouse, okay. Now students, look at this picture given below, okay, and this is how a left-handed person will hold a mouse, okay. So tip 1 is place the index finger on the right button, okay. So as you seen in the previous, that a right-handed person will place her index finger on the left button, okay. A right-handed person will place his index finger on the left button, but here in this condition, when a left-handed person will hold a mouse, he will place his index finger on the right button, okay. So a left-handed person will place his index finger on the right button, okay. He won't place his index finger on the left button, but he will place his index finger on the right button. Is that clear? And the next one is put the middle finger on the left button. And okay, so in our previous method you have seen that a right-handed person will place her middle finger on the right button, but here in this condition a left-handed person will place his middle finger on the left button. As you can see, this is the middle finger and this is the left button, okay. Rest your palm on the mouse and rest your palm will on the mouse, okay. Rest your palm will placed on the mouse, okay. For hold mouse, hold the mouse with your thumb, okay. Hold your mouse with your thumb and rest of the fingers, okay. And you have to place your palm on the mouse and you have to hold the mouse with the help of your thumb and rest of the fingers, okay. You have to only keep your two fingers, index finger and middle fingers, on the two buttons of the mouse, and rest of your palm will place on the mouse, and your thumb and your rest of fingers will hold the mouse, okay, like this. In this way a left-handed person will hold a mouse. Is that clear? Now students, turn your page and come on the page number 28, and on that page number 28 you can see here a mouse pointer is described, okay, that what is a mouse pointer and how it works, what is its functions, everything is described here about a mouse pointer. So students, let's read about it, okay. The heading is mouse pointer, okay. Now students, here you can see this little pointer you can see, this is called the mouse pointer, okay. So this little pointer is called the mouse pointer. Is that clear? So now students, let's read its functions and how it works. Okay, so you have read in the previous chapter that a computer mouse is used to point at any item. So students, in our previous video we had learned that a computer mouse, okay, used for point on any object, for select any file, for drawing. Okay, and in this video you will learn that how it works. Okay, the slanting arrows that appears on the monitor when you move the mouse is called the mouse pointers. Okay, so this arrow you can see on the slanting arrow that you can see on the monitor screen is called the mouse pointer. Okay, so this slanting arrow is called the mouse pointer. Okay, as you move the mouse, the pointer also moves on the screen. Okay, so students, this is enough for today. This topic we will describe in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself, students.